How to save with Uber promo codes or student offer. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to save with Uber promo codes or student offer. So if you're also someone who continuously use the Uber application for the rides purposes, then you might need the promo codes to save money on Uber rides. So you can utilize the promo codes or student explore student discounts. So promo codes can be added to your Uber account via the wallet section. So just head over to your account section and just select the wallet option over here. And as you can see, currently I don't have any payment method, so just choose your desired payment method. And once you do that, you can simply select the wallet section and they are automatically applied to your next qualifying ride after being added. So once you're inside your wallet and once you choose the verified method, you just have to choose the add promo code button there and simply enter the code and tap the add or apply button there if you have a promo code. And similarly for a student discount or student promo code, you might as well head over to the website that is student Uber One for students, where you can easily verify your student status through Share ID and enjoy member benefits, including potential discounts on eligible rides. So the benefits includes like $0 delivery fee on eligible food, groceries, and more. And you can always get up to 10% off eligible deliveries and pickup orders. You can always earn 6% over one credits on eligible rides, and with the by getting matched with the top rated drivers, you can also get exclusive, including special offers and promotions. You can just save thousands of your favorite restaurants and store. You can always cancel anytime without fees or penalties. So you can also enjoy all of the other exclusive deals such as your Starbucks discount. And you might as well know that members can save an average of $27 per month with Uber One. So the thing to keep in mind is that you actually have to pay $4.99 per month to sign in to Uber One for students. So it's a win-win situation. And if you want other students discounts, you can also search in for the platforms like Student Beans or Unitaid, which may offer separate student discounts or promotional codes for Uber or Uber Eats. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.